Yes then. Today, my favorite food. Of grilled ginger, let's make a set meal. I think. So, another pig. I bought some coma meat, so today is grilled ginger set meal. I think I want to make it.
Yes, that's exactly it. Oh, hello. Grilled ginger. It's this morning. What did you say? I didn't catch that. With pre-treated processing. Meat, huh? All right. Yes. I think I would like to wear it. Pork top sirloin. Thank you for sharing. Ushiji. Well, that's all there is to it. Milling liquor. And good. Then yes, that kind of expression. 2 wheeled soup. A little alcohol.
Mickey.
Over here, please. Nick and most of all, ginger. Show a little picture. Sato, I was in here. A little sugar. Salt and pepper. I would like to anticipate this. Yes, indeed. This way. Yes. It's this morning. I'd like to soak it until the night. Yes, then, first of all, garnish cabbage. I think I want to go. With that, fry together, stir fry and ginger grilled. Onion, let's cut. Vinegar. Then cut the green onion thoroughly as well. Yes. Sticky. That doesn't come out.
Ski.
This phone is good. Yes, then I want to make grilled ginger. Vinegar. This is what I put on this morning. Grilled ginger. This is high quality tender meat. Oh, good. Oh. It smells good of ginger and garlic. First, I'm going to fry the onions. Also that Ona's miso soap, I made it. Onions, slowly. I want to fry it until it turns amber. I think
Yeah.
yes, then Netakwantu. I'd like to go. Yes, the dip is ready. Yes, then the mighty onion is turning amber. So here, I want to add meat, vinegar, but as much as possible. Break the meat apart. It's better to bake. It is delicious. Anyway, cat meat is because of the stickiness that sticks. as often as possible. Not to stick. Baking is... It's a cup. That's it with this. If you do it over medium heat, it becomes hard, so slowly over low heat. With the lid closed, I want to bake it. Yes, like this, just a little more. I'd like the steam and the water juice. It's done. I would like to put it in. Yes, then it's starting to feel good. Lightly, I want to mix it up. I guess it was a little too much a year ago. So yes, totally complete. Vinegar. On top of shredded cabbage, onions and meat. Place it in. I want to go vinegar. Hey, I wonder if there is one. I guess there are vegetables. Yes, and here. Water, mayonnaise. Yes, and now it's complete. Vinegar.
Yes, then. It's done.
I want to eat it. Vinegar, ginger grilled set meal. Raw, grilled ginger. And rice. And miso soup and more sake and pickled eggplant. Well then, I see. Yes, it's done. Lifetime prescribed diet. Well then, I got it. I think so. Itadakimasu. Vinegar. Well, first of all, from grilled ginger. Yeah, there's no doubt about the breasts. It's done. Life is uncertain. Then I would like to partake in it. Vinegar. Well then, first, if you do ginger, it's not money. Yeah. Do this scene properly. Okay. Japanese people have miso soup.
Yeah. It is delicious. Well, I will certainly take it easy. So today, it was a ginger grilled set meal.
If you don't mind, please subscribe to the channel and hit the high rating buttons. Thank you very much for your support.